Bendy. Bendy. Hi. What happened to you? Why you are looking so sad? I'm sad. But why? I am getting bored. It is so boring to get bored. But why you are getting bored? I am getting bored because I cannot go out. I am getting bored because no one can come in. Yes, that is right. It is lockdown. We are sitting at home. Let me think what you can do. Why don't you do coloring? No, done. Okay. What about doing some craft? Done. Done. Coloring done. Craft done. Why don't you read a story? No. I don't like to read. You tell me a story. No. I will not tell a story all the time. Always I am only telling you a story. Why don't you tell a story this time? I will tell a story. Yes, why not? You tell me a story today. But what if you will not like it? I like all stories. You tell. Which story? Which story you will tell? Let me think. You tell me a cloud story. A cloud? Yes. And a pond, a river, a lake. You tell me that story. A story with a cloud, with a pond, with a river. Yes, tell me that story. But what if I will make a mistake? That's okay. We all make mistakes. I will like your story. You tell, please. Okay. So let's start. Yes, tell me. Okay. So, one day a cloud family was flying up in the sky. Cloud family flying up. Yes. Small family or big family? My man told small family is mama, papa and baby. Big family is grandparents, uncles, aunts. Big family. Big cloud family was flying. Yes, a big cloud family was flying up in the sky. Where they were going? Listen to the story first. Oh, okay, sorry. You tell me the story. Okay. So, one day a cloud family was flying up in the sky. And the small baby cloud wanted to drink water. He was feeling thirsty. And they flew over a small pond. Pond? I like to see ponds. There are ducks in the ponds. Yes. Even lotus is there in the pond. So they were flying above the pond. And the baby wanted to drink water. So the family stopped and the baby started drinking the water. So the baby was sipping the water from the pond. Yes, baby was sipping the water from the pond. And mama said, let's start. And the family flew further. And what happened then? And the baby cloud was thirsty again. Again, he took water just now from a pond. Yeah, but now they were flying over a lake. Lake. I went for boating once in the lake. It was so nice. Yeah. We do boating in the lake. But the baby cloud did not want to do boating. He wanted to drink more water. So he took out his straw again and started. Bus, enough. How much water the baby cloud will drink? Yeah. Mama also told the baby cloud. How much water you will drink? And the baby stopped. And they started flying again. They flew and flew and flew and flew and flew. They kept on flying for how long? Yeah. Till the time they reached a river. River that flows near the cities. Yeah, I told my papa to take me to see the river once. Yeah. Baby Cloud also told Papa, I am thirsty again. I want to drink more water. More water? Again? Yeah, again. The baby cloud wanted to drink water again from the river. And he started. So much water, the tummy will not pain. No, not yet. Mama told, stop. Now we have to go. We are getting late. And the baby cloud stopped. Good, he listened to Mama. The baby cloud stopped and the family started flying again. And they flew and they flew and they flew and they flew. Where did they fly? They were flying in the sky. And they stopped. Stopped? For what? They stopped because they reached over an ocean. Ocean? The sea. Yes, the sea. I like to make sand castles in the sea. Once the lockdown will be over, I am going to go and play near the sea. I love seaside. I know, I will also come with you. But why baby cloud stopped? He was again thirsty. Again thirsty? Yeah, again thirsty. So what did he do? What he will do? He took out his straw and now started taking water from the ocean. Ooh. So much water. Yeah, so much water. Did he stop? Yes, now he stopped. Why? Why he stopped? Because his tummy started paining. So much water he drank and drank and drank. He sipped water from the pond. He sipped water from the lake. He drank water from the river. And then he drank water from the ocean. And what? What? The tummy started paining. And he started crying. So sad. The cloud was crying. Yeah, cloud was crying. And it was coming down. Coming down? Where? As rain. The cloud was crying and all the water he took from the pond, from the lake, from the river, from the ocean, all came down like rain. Okay, so the cloud was shedding all the water like rain. Yeah, now you know. The cloud took the water. The cloud's stomach got big and heavy. And then what he did? Now, what he did? It rained. Yes, now you know it rained. Very nice story. So you told me the story of a cloud with a pond, with a lake, with a river and an ocean, and also the rain. Yes. Did you like my story? Wonderful. Your story is wonderful. So, give me high five. High five. Yes, yes, Bendy. I like the story and it was so interesting. I hope now you are not feeling bored. No, 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 no. I like this. I like telling you the story again. I will tell you one more story. Not now. We will listen to your next story some other day. Okay?